Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another awesome Tinkercad tutorial, so let's get cracking. Friends, we are starting on my website, HLModTech.com. Once again, page dedicated to Tinkercad, all the amazing categories, day one favorites, useful starters, and the essentials. The one I want to highlight today is the 50 States Sharing Project. Now, when you click this link, it takes you right to Tinkercad. If you've never been in before, I simply choose Sign In with Google, and then this is the magic button called Copy and Tinker. I have made this design public so that when you click on it, you will get the copy that I've created. While you're out here, don't forget it is super cool if you take a moment to give users a reaction. When you do hit Copy and Tinker, this is what you're greeted with. It is a part in Tinkercad called the United States. I live in Michigan. I've got a little dot here where I show you where I live. What I would like to do is get all 50 states. To do that, you simply click this, pick the state you're from, move the note. If you zoom way in here, there's a tiny little star. You can put that close to where you live. And then you could leave me a note. You can tell me a story. You can tell me whatever the city is. If you want to add an extra note, you just hit the letter N. You can put anything you want there. You can also pick the color of the state. Whatever you want is absolutely fantastic. And then you need to find a way to share it with me. Friends, once you've got your state with the color, the notes, and the star, it's time to share it with me. Click up on the Collaborate button, generate a link, copy that link, and then you can reach out and ship it to me. There are a ton of ways. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If those options aren't available, don't forget you can also visit my website, and down at the bottom is the sweet built-in message tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or share link, and reach me almost instantly. Friends, I do have one other awesome way you can share it with me. Check this out. As long as you've got the state colored, don't change the size because it'll fit my puzzle that I'll show you in a minute when it's like this. All you have to do is go back to your Tinkercad main screen. Click up on the gear of that project you just completed and change its properties. You can give it a name if you want. You can give it a description, but the thing that you really need for me to be able to find it is to type this tag, HLMT23. Make sure you press enter to finish that tag and make it public. You can leave attribution share alike. You can do the I'm not a robot. And when you hit save changes, that'll now be public in the gallery so I can find it and copy and tinker it. If we take a look at the project, you can see I am only missing 4 states: Mississippi, North Dakota, Wyoming, and Delaware. You'll notice there are 2 stars or more in some states. I would love to get to at least 100 stars as more and more people share these awesome projects. So friends, let me show you. Each day I can click search and I can do HLMT23, and when I do, check out the fun designs that have shown up today. Let's get in there and give them some reactions. Absolutely love seeing projects from all over the world. That is fantastic. Check out this cool one by the fungus. I'll give that a wow. And after a moment, there is the 50 States project that I can copy and tinker and add to my puzzle. Remember, friends, the link to the project will be in the description of this video. You can also find it everywhere else. And the more stars on each state, the better. So I'm looking forward to all the shares. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.